This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Susan Pinder. Stunning custom home just blocks from the oceanfront beaches with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4,500 square feet, all with a wonderful bright and open floor plan. Gorgeous and private professionally landscaped fenced yard with pool, decorative paver patio and spacious multi-level decking. Inviting kitchen overlooking the family room, 2 first-floor bedrooms, office, lovely master bedroom suite with 2 bathrooms, 3 fireplaces and beautiful hardwood floors. Many updates including a new architectural shingle roof, new HVAC and encapsulated crawl space, garage and storage shed. For more information, review the details below.